Imagine an island so perilous, humans dare not step foot on it. An island that holds a deadly secret. Welcome to Snake Island. Nestled in the azure Atlantic waters just off the coast of Brazil, this island is shrouded in a cloak of mystery and danger. It's not your typical tropical paradise, no, it's something much more sinister. Here the only residents are not sunbathing tourists but serpents, slithering and sliding, owning every inch of the land. But this isn't a story of mere snakes on a beach. This is about a place where the very soil seems to hiss with a venomous threat. A place where every leaf, every rock could be hiding a slithering surprise. So how did this island earn its ominous reputation? Is it just a tale spun by imaginative sailors? Or is there a deadly reality hiding behind the legend? Let's delve into the shadows and unravel the history of Snake Island. The discovery of Snake Island, also known as Ilha da Queimada Grande, traces back to the early 1920s. This little-known spot off the coast of Brazil was first stumbled upon by local fishermen, braving the choppy seas in their crude wooden boats. It was a time of exploration and discovery, and the fishermen were always on the lookout for new fishing grounds. But what they found on this island was far from the bountiful bounty they were hoping for. At first, Snake Island seemed like any other, lush, green, and teeming with life. It was the perfect place, they thought, to cultivate bananas. And so they set to work, tilling the soil, planting the seeds, and waiting for the fruits of their labor to grow. But as the banana trees began to flourish, so did something else. Something much more dangerous. As the island's foliage grew, it revealed a hidden world, one filled with slithering, hissing creatures. To the fishermen's horror, they discovered that the island was not just home to banana trees, but also to a vast population of venomous snakes. The island's isolation had allowed these serpents to thrive, and they had taken over the island, making it their own. The banana groves were quickly abandoned as the farmers fled, leaving behind their dreams of a banana paradise. They returned to their fishing boats, but this time they came back with tales of an island taken over by deadly serpents. They spoke of snakes that hung from trees, that hid in the underbrush, that slithered through the banana groves. They told of their narrow escapes, of the snakes that had tried to strike them, of the fear they felt when they realized the island was not the paradise they had hoped for. And so, Snake Island gained its fearsome reputation. The tales of the fishermen spread, and the island became known as a place of danger, a place to be avoided at all costs. The island's sinister reputation began to take hold as word spread about its lethal inhabitants. What makes Snake Island live up to its name? Its inhabitants, the Golden Lancehead Vipers. These slithering residents aren't your average backyard snakes. These are Golden Lancehead Vipers, one of the most venomous snake species in the world. But what is it about these vipers that sets them apart? It's their venom. The venom of a golden lancehead is 5 times stronger than that of any mainland snake. It's so potent, in fact, that it can melt human flesh. This venom isn't just for show though, it's a survival mechanism, evolved over thousands of years, tailored specifically to quickly immobilize and digest the birds that are their primary food source. However, there's another reason why the Golden Lancehead Viper is unique: its population. Snake Island is the only place on Earth where you can find this species. Isolated from the mainland for thousands of years, these snakes have multiplied in number, and today, they dominate the island. Why such a large population on such a small island? Well, it's simple. With no natural predators to keep their numbers in check, and a steady source of food from the birds that stop on the island during migration, the Golden Lanceheads have been able to thrive. But it's not just the number of snakes that's impressive. It's the density. Picture this. You're standing on the island, and every step you take, there's a snake. That's right, there's an estimated 1 snake per square meter on Snake Island. It's no wonder then that the island has been deemed too dangerous for humans. With no medical facilities nearby and the nearest hospital hours away, a bite from one of these vipers is likely to be fatal. With a snake population density of 1 snake per square meter, it's clear why humans avoid this island. So the next time you're planning an adventure, remember Snake Island and maybe give it a wide berth. After all, it's not called the deadliest place on Earth for nothing. Today, Snake Island stands as a forbidden destination. A place so dangerously alive it's off limits to the general public. It's not your typical tropical paradise, rather a realm where venomous serpents rule. The Brazilian government, understanding the potential risks, has made it inaccessible to protect both people and the unique biodiversity of the island. However, the island is not completely deserted. Every now and then, amidst the hissing silence, the island buzzes with activity. Teams of intrepid scientists armed with knowledge and courage make occasional expeditions. They navigate through the snake-infested terrain, seeking answers about the island's lethal inhabitants and their role in the ecosystem. They are the only humans who dare to step foot on this island, their endeavors guided by the pursuit of knowledge and the passion for understanding the unknown. Despite its deadly nature, some brave souls venture onto the island for the sake of scientific research. They are the true adventurers of our time, daring to explore where others fear to tread. So why is Snake Island considered the deadliest place on Earth? The answer lies in the lethal combination of factors that make this island a no-go zone for humans. Firstly, Snake Island is home to an extremely high population of snakes, with estimates suggesting there's one snake for every square meter of the island. But it's not just the sheer number of snakes that's alarming, it's their deadly nature. The island's dominant species, the Golden Lancehead Viper, is one of the most venomous snakes globally, and its bite can be fatal. Lastly, the island's isolation compounds the danger. Located about 20 miles off the Brazilian coast, help is not readily available should anything go awry. It's this trifecta of high snake density, venomous species, and isolation that makes Snake Island a lethal survival challenge. As fascinating as it is terrifying, Snake Island remains a testament to the deadly power of nature, earning its title as the deadliest place on Earth.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.